See shit. Nice.
John, I'm going. Go. You recording, Marlo?
Recording. Oh, you're against the light here.
It starts with the rudder pretty. Oh man, I can't really control it.
Do we need to fix the rudder?
I'm going up. Dude, it might be too heavy to take off.
No, I think you need the rudder. Are you full throttle?
Nice.
Yeah. Whoa! Look how windy it is, bro. Holy shit!
Dude, bring her around.
I can't see.
Bring her around. Devin, keep her close on this flight.
Bro.
Keep her as close as you can.
Dude.
Holy shit. Bring her towards us.
I am.
Keep her low, but like high enough that she doesn't.
Get me over there.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I got no control. I'm just trying to keep from crashing.
Are you full power?
Oh.
Dude, penetrate the wind.
Can I?
Yeah. What do you half stick?
Oh. Nice recovery.
Looks like you got a little wing flex. Are you full stick now?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Can you bring her towards us? Bring her right over our head. She's inverted. Now she's level. Alright, she's coming towards us. Yeah, you're into the wind now.
Bro, look at this thing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you bring her around?
I'm trying. Every time I go to land, she goes all squirrel-eyed.
Nice flyby.
Holy shit! Her wings are going nuts. Land her over here.
So you think I'm trying to do that?
How are we doing, Captain?
Oh my god, it's bad. It's real bad. Look at it now, John.
Yeah. Windy guy. Yeah, bring it in. Just bring it in. Don't cut the throttle all the way. You'll be dead. You probably are running out of juice.
Dude, this is all lift from the wind.
Shit, bring her around. Bring her around. Devin, don't land her that far away. Wow.
It's nice control, bro.
Alright, I need to go out and chop this stuff.
I'm gonna try to land it.
Let's bring her in.
Oh!
Shit!
Yo, you gotta get the gas on. Motorboat. I'm motorboating. I see her. She's not going anywhere. She's just on upside down. Just soaking that ESC. Oh, nice. She's right side up.
Yeah?
Yeah. She flipped over.